Hubble is the only space telescope to have been designed to be serviced in space by astronauts. After it was launched in April 1990, there was great dismay when the telescope failed to focus properly and it was realized that its main mirror had been ground incorrectly. So the first servicing mission in December 1993 was all the more crucial. ESA astronaut Claude Nicollier was one of Endeavour's 7 astronauts whose task was to install corrective optics.
After
NASA's embarrassment at having orbited a telescope with a bad mirror, it was made clear to us that this first mission to Hubble absolutely had to succeed. And the mission was a total success. With its spectacles, Hubble started producing much sharper images, and its observations have since had a profound impact on astronomy and our understanding of the universe. 3 other servicing missions in 1997, 1999 and 2002 have allowed the replacement and installation of new science instruments. The solar panels have been changed twice, new gyroscopes, batteries and onboard computers have been installed. In 1999, European astronauts were again involved. ESA's Claude Nicollier carried out a spacewalk with Britain's Michael Foale, whilst France's Jean-François Clairvoy controlled the shuttle's robotic arm. Much as Hubble's launch was greatly delayed by the Challenger disaster, its last servicing mission was compromised by the Columbia tragedy in 2003. NASA had ruled that all future shuttle flights should be able to reach the safe haven of the International Space Station if an in-flight problem arose. Since the shuttle is incapable of reaching both Hubble and the ISS during the same mission, the servicing scheduled for 2005 was cancelled on safety grounds. Following the public outcry and the arrival of a new administrator, NASA reviewed its decision. A robotic service mission was first envisaged, but then deemed unfeasible. In April 2005, NASA admitted the possibility of another manned visit, and in October 2006, the go-ahead was given with a proviso. In a situation where a serious problem occurs during launch or in orbit, the astronauts will have to be rescued by another shuttle, which should be on standby to launch from the moment the Hubble mission leaves. And so, for the very first time, a second shuttle, Endeavour, has been prepared for an emergency launch. Despite the risks, NASA and the 7 astronauts aboard Atlantis are confident. Their 11-day mission will be intense. 5 spacewalks, each lasting up to 7 hours, are planned. 4 astronauts will be involved to install 2 new science instruments, the Wide Field Camera 3 and the Cosmic Origin Spectrograph, to repair 2 existing ones, to replace gyroscopes and batteries, and to refurbish the spacecraft subsystems. A grapple fixture will also be added, allowing a future robotic mission to more easily attach a propulsion unit to Hubble to control its re-entry when its final moments arrive. But that day has not yet come. Hubble is expected to provide science data and spectacular imagery of the cosmos until at least 2013. To the great satisfaction of the scientific community and the general public. Considering the scientific value of the data and the beauty of the images, I think it's fully justified assuming the risk in making this new visit to Hubble.